Hey guys, what's up? This is Joshua here with Forerunner Insurance. So I'm going to talk to you today about how to shop for your trucking insurance. Sorry, here I'm walking over here to get some coffee. We're pretty serious about coffee over here at Forerunner Insurance. So one of the main things you guys want to focus on when you're getting your trucking insurance is, make sure you guys are talking with an agent that actually specializes specifically in trucking. Okay. Sorry, we're making some amazing espresso here. God, that stuff is so good. So make sure you guys are focusing on people that specialize in trucking specifically. Okay. You don't want to just call an agent that has one or two markets available to you, because you're going to limit what kind of pricing you have. Okay. So it doesn't matter if you're new or you're been in the game 5 or 10, 15 years. It doesn't matter if you have one truck or 100 trucks or 200 trucks. We have solutions for all of you. Okay. One of the things we run into all the time is we run into agents that write policies for truckers that are completely wrong. So what happens is, we jump in here and we start auditing your policy, and we find all kinds of mistakes. What happens is, if you guys get in a bad accident and you end up killing somebody, that's grounds to deny your claim. Okay, so we're not talking about small limits, on a personal auto policy. I mean, most of your guys' trucking policies are all written, at $1 million, 750. Your cargo insurance is at 100,000 or 250, 250,000. So I mean, these are large limits we're writing on these policies. You want to make sure you're dealing with trucking specialists that have multiple different carriers available to you to make sure you guys are getting the best possible pricing. Now, one of the other things we have to really focus on is, what's the plan for year 1, year 2, year 3, that you guys have been in business. If an agent can't tell you a plan that they want to put you on, what are you guys looking at for your next year's renewal, the year after that? There has to be some sort of plan available for you, so when you guys are growing or you're moving forward, setting the right expectations for you. And that's what we specialize here at Forerunner. We're going to give you the truth, and we're going to give it to you very blunt. And some people like it, some people don't, but we end up earning more business because we're very straightforward with people. If I can beat the price, I'm going to tell you. And the cool thing is that we have stuff for year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. Whether you have one truck or you want to grow to 50 trucks in your first year, I have solutions for you. I want to ask one of my lead agents in here if you're not busy, are you? No. All right, cool. Hey, real quick, if you had to give these guys, some advice on how to shop for insurance, what do you think it'd be?
Well,
trucking insurance.
Well, for trucking insurance, I'd rather you guys choose an agency like us that does only specialize in trucking insurance, and make sure the coverage that you're trying to look for is what your brokers want. You don't want to have a coverage that doesn't fit for your policy to get beyond the road. And mainly, you want to make sure if they need rated carriers, non-rated carriers, to be upfront and knowing those types of, what coverages are actually needed. Point of all, another thing is, shopping out as for knowing about insurance. $1 million liability is always the common limit that's needed. Second, cargo minimum these brokers ask is for 100,000. Some ask for lower, some ask higher, depending on the commodity that you're hauling. So you want to make sure that the commodity of what you're hauling is correct, I would say.
Yeah, he touched on a really good point. Look, so if you guys are an auto hauler, and I'm not going to mention any specific company names or specific insurance carrier names that do this, but you have to watch out for this, because what happens, if the agent doesn't know what they're doing and they go to write your policy as a trucker, and let's say you're an auto hauler, okay, and he writes you as just a standard classification as a general freight trucker, what will happen 2 months down the road? They're going to find out that you're hauling autos, and they're going to raise that price up substantially. Okay, so you have to be aware of that. And guess what? You're on the hook for that premium increase, whether you like it or not. So one of the things is make sure you're classified right. Make sure you have the proper requirements from your brokers that you need. And make sure you let us know whether you're rated or not. You need a rated or non-rated carrier. And again, listen, I look forward to, you guys can call my office and ask me any questions that you need to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer and help you guys along the way. My direct office line is 407-675-3857. Again, that's 407-675-3847. Visit us at www.forerunnerinsurance.com. That's FORERUNNER, insurance spelled out.com. Listen, I really look forward to working with you guys, helping you get off the ground. Or if you guys have been in the game for a little while, hopefully coming to the table with some savings for you guys. Be blessed, take care, and we'll do another video here next week. Thanks.